might look very difficult for me. Let's start stopwatch and then begin. At first, whatever this is, we are going to start with body of background of this yellow or whatever. Then margin I'm going to 0. Then there we can see that total 3 round shapes are there. Then just made 3 divs. Let's just do first the bigger one, A. I'm going to give all divs as position absolute. So body div means position of absolute. Okay. And then top value is 50, not 50, 150, 100, 80, 70, not 75, yes. And then left 10, 50, 30, 35, yes. And then I'm going to use aspect ratio of 150. Oh my god, 130. Oh, it is not a round shape. Height is 150 and this is 130, maybe 150 is right. Then border radius of 50%. Oh nice, it's fine. Then we can use aspect ratio of 1. And let's give the color to this, and it's done for now. Okay, let's create a div inside of this. Div B is going to be background to see for now. Rate width is like half of it to 75 pixel, and then aspect ratio of 1 and right is going to 100%. No, left 100%. Now let's use pixel value, much safer. Minus 50 top 30. Okay, aspect ratio of 80, 90, 90. border radius of 50%. Then right is going to be 60. Yes, it's perfect. It's good for now. And let's create a div which is C. C is going to be Z index, and let's give Z index of -1. And now C. Width is going to be same, 90 pixel. Background is going to be this one. Aspect ratio of 1. Top 85 for now. How much is going to be? 45. 15 with 30 pixel. Border 30 pixel solid. Something. Border radius of 50%. Right, 40. 80, 70, 75, 50, 35, and let's change the color to this one, and it's red. And let's create another div and name it as D. Now D is going to have the width of 30, height of 60, background on I don't know why it's happening every time. Background red to see now. Is there any shortcut or something? I don't know. Top 100%, 90%, left 50, right 80, 150, 20, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, maybe 0. minus 1030 and height 70 and color change to this. And it's done totally. Let's hit submit. It is 10 minutes 14 seconds. And it's 100% match. And you can see 10 minutes 25 seconds. Thanks for watching, guys.